I will show you how to make a simple origami star puff today. And first, you have to fold this thing to four parts. So fold it. Then fold this to the 1/4 crease over here. Do that on the other side. Repeat on all other three double sides, like from here, to here. Repeat that. Now after you did that, we'll start making some other creases. So you fold this tip to this tip, but do not crease yet. You take two triangles, then after the two triangles, crease 4 triangles after that. Only crease, it's really important. Don't crease the other parts. Now, do that for all other 3 sides. All other 3 sides. So these are the folds. These in the middle. Okay, after you folded that, we'll start the triangle twist. So from one of the tips, you make a mountain fold. You make a mountain fold on between two of these lines. So it's the middle point over here. Make them intersect over here, and then there will be a straight line over here. So it comes like this. Now fold it counterclockwise. Fold it counterclockwise. And flatten the tip, this tip. flatten it with your fingers. Flatten it. So you end up with this little triangle. So now go to this part and pinch one triangle and make one of those 100 degrees angle and fold them. It's the same, it's just the old pre-creasings. It's just the same as the one that we started with. So you fold it. So this time it's clockwise, and you flatten it with your fingers and pulling it on the other two sides again. So you end up with two triangles now. What you're trying to do is to cover up this thing with triangles. So repeat again, pinch 90 degrees, and this time counterclockwise. Repeat that again on this side, like right after this one, not the one with this, the one like this. So again, pinch one triangle, make a 90-degree angle. You'll notice that you're going over one of these folds. Just go over it, and you'll fix it later, like right after this step. So it ends up like this. Now you'll see this thing, like this thing's over here. You have to open it up. Just open it up without opening up any of the triangles. So you'll see that there's like a triangle over here, and count 2 squares up, and there's a line. Go over that line, like fold that line, mount and fold it, mount and fold it. Look, there's a triangle that was over there. Count 2. Now you have this. Now you see the 2 lines. Now you see the line that's over here and over here. Mount and fold those 2. And now do the same thing that you did before. Make one of those triangles. So you bend 2 of them inward. There's gonna be a thing over here. Pull it outward and bend these 2 things outward, and then you flatten these 2 to make 2 of these triangles again. Now you have this. Now you see these. You can fold them up, so you have this thing back. Remember the one that we were folding before? Yeah, this thing. Make sharp creases. Now for the back. You can leave it like this if you want to, but I like it standing up, so this is what I do.